Imagine a land where massive waterfalls crash down ancient cliffs, volcanoes sleep beneath glaciers, and glowing northern lights dance across the sky. Welcome to Iceland, one of the most breathtaking destinations on Earth. From crystal ice caves to black sand beaches, this Nordic island is packed with natural wonders that look like they belong on another planet. In today's video, we're exploring 15 of the most stunning places in Iceland that will leave you speechless. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last place might be the most magical destination in the entire country. Let's begin our journey. Our journey begins at the world-famous Blue Lagoon. Surrounded by black volcanic rock, this geothermal spa glows with bright milky blue water, rich in minerals. The warm water stays around -40 degrees Celsius year-round, making it the perfect place to relax, even in the middle of winter. Steam rising from the lagoon creates a dreamlike atmosphere that attracts visitors from all over the world. Next is the powerful Gullfoss, also known as the Golden Falls. This massive waterfall plunges into a deep canyon in 2 dramatic stages. On sunny days, mist from the waterfall often creates beautiful rainbows above the roaring water. It's one of the most iconic stops along Iceland's famous Golden Circle route. One of Iceland's most unique waterfalls is Seljalandsfoss. What makes it special is that visitors can walk behind the waterfall, standing behind the cascading water while looking out over the green Icelandic landscape is an unforgettable experience. At sunset, the view becomes even more magical. Another legendary waterfall is Skógafoss. With a drop of around 60 meters, Skógafoss creates an incredible wall of water. Because of the constant mist, double rainbows frequently appear in front of the falls. A staircase beside the waterfall leads to a viewpoint offering spectacular aerial views. Few beaches in the world look as dramatic as Reynisfjara. Instead of golden sand, the shore here is covered in jet black volcanic sand. Towering basalt columns rise from the cliffs, while powerful Atlantic waves crash against the shore. Just offshore stand the mysterious Reynisfjara sea stacks, surrounded by legend and folklore. Next, we visit the breathtaking Jökulsárlón here. Giant chunks of ice break away from a glacier and slowly float across a peaceful lagoon. These icebergs glow in shades of blue and white, creating an unforgettable landscape. Seals are often seen swimming between the floating ice. Right across from the glacier lagoon lies Diamond Beach. Ice chunks from the lagoon wash up on the black sand, sparkling like giant diamonds under the sunlight. The contrast between crystal ice and dark volcanic sand makes this place truly unique. Photographers from around the world come here for its stunning scenery. The largest glacier in Europe, Vatnajökull, covers nearly 8% of Iceland's land area. Beneath this massive sheet of ice lie active volcanoes. Visitors can explore incredible blue ice caves that form during winter. These caves glow with deep shades of blue that look almost unreal. A place of both natural beauty and historical importance is Lyngvellir National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site sits directly between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Here you can literally walk between two continents. The park is also where Iceland's first parliament was established over 1,000 years ago. Perhaps the most photographed mountain in Iceland is Gullfoss. Its unique pyramid shape rises dramatically beside a small waterfall. During winter, the mountain becomes even more magical when the northern lights dance above it. It's truly a photographer's dream. Hidden in Iceland's highlands lies Landmannalaugar. This region is famous for its colorful rhyolite mountains that glow in shades of orange, red, yellow, and green. Hot springs, lava fields, and hiking trails make it one of the most adventurous destinations in Iceland. most stunning places in Iceland. From powerful waterfalls to glowing glaciers and magical northern lights, Iceland truly feels like one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. Which destination did you love the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breathtaking destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.